Step 4. Letting go of what draws you away from being present. Awareness gives you choices. This step helps you become aware of what stands in the way of you being fully present to the here and now, and enables you to let it go. Physics tells us that energy follows attention. So when your attention is scattered rather than being in the present moment, it has the effect of dissipating your energy. On a regular basis, your lifeblood energy is siphoned off in different directions towards work, relationships, projects, and all the other things that keep you from being present. These background distractions colour and shape your experience of the present moment. When you let these distractions go, whilst drawing your energy back to yourself, more of you is available to engage with the here and now. Life happens in the present moment, not the dream worlds of the future or the past. So it makes sense to pay attention to the present. Meditation on letting go of what draws you away. Allow your eyes to comfortably close. Let your thoughts come and go without attaching to them. Notice, without getting drawn in, if anything draws you away from being fully present. Concerns, people, ideas, memories. And let it go. Allow it all to fade and move into the distance. Draw yourself back home to the present moment and to the support beneath you. Give everything else to the universe or a higher force to hold for you. Lighten your load. Draw all of you back to the present and to your connection to ground. Notice what happens when you let go of what draws you away. Day-to-day awareness practice. Get into the habit of pausing several times each day to ask yourself, what is standing in the way of me being fully present? Notice where your attention is taken away to and let it go. Draw yourself back to the present moment. Come back into your senses and ground yourself in the here and now.